What is good, boys? We are back out here at the local spot. Damn, that thing's loud. Tyler's on his 250F. I got the KLX300 out here. It's the day after Christmas, the 26th, and it feels freaking perfect out here. It's like 70 degrees. So I'm gonna throw the GoPro on the helmet and let's get to some ripping. Oh, yeah. So we were out here yesterday and checked on this jump we had built like a week or two ago. But I haven't hit it on the KLX. Woo, that's a good fun jump. My first time hitting it on the KLX. We may build another jump today where we brought the shovels and the pickaxe. Whoa. Should we try jumping this? This is kind of a big log. Maybe a little bit later today. So we got a little new section over here too that we're going to try to wear in a little bit.
I have no idea where it was.
Didn't we come from the other way last time?
But I was trying to make it go this way, but we might have to hit it the other way to find it again.
Alright, I think we found it, so we're going to hit this a few times where we're in. Woo! There's a few tree stumps which are kind of sketchy right in the middle of the trail. But just trying to get the leaves off and get the path worn in. Alright, let's take this jump again, see how she hits on the KLX. that was pretty fun.
If we get that worked in, that adds a lot more long straightaways.
Yeah.
That's nice.
About to go grab a little bite to eat something at the Sheets up here. Oh no! I think I got a flat tire. Yep, I do. That's a shame. Well, I just noticed that flat tire, but good thing I got an extra tube and a front tire ready to go on. I actually got a front and rear tire. I got a flat!
What? Oh no. Damn.
Yeah.
Turn around.
We can go up here. But as I was saying, good thing I have a new front and rear tire and tubes at the house ready to be put on, so bummer, but we'll be all good. Holy shit!
Damn, I haven't seen a flat on a big bike in a minute.
Yeah, I tried to take that turn right there. Holy fuck, I almost ate shit. Dude.
Hey, it's a good thing I drove.
Yeah. Whew. God dang. That scared the shit out of me just trying to take that turn right there. I almost ate it. It did not want to turn.
It's pretty fucking flat. And no air up there.
Holy shit. Alright boys, well we got our Sheets. Gonna go back there and chill and eat for a minute, and I guess this forces me to put on my new tire tomorrow, or probably front and rear I'll go ahead and do. So look forward to the next video. We'll be putting on the new tires, and I'll show you guys which tires I got and everything. Kind of sucks that I got a flat, but it's the first flat I've had in the KLX since I've had it, and I've put 2,500 plus miles on it, so 2,500 plus miles on it, and I've rid it, and I've rode it pretty hard, so not too upset about it. Be sure to like and subscribe, guys, and links to the bars, the pegs, the clutch levers, everything like that for the KLX are in the description, guys. But other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.